What is good? What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Another beautiful day here. It's sunny Kansas City today, but it's 37 degrees, so it's kind of chilly this morning here. Just dropped off the boys at school and took my daughter to daycare. So I wanted to, before pretty much here while I got on the road here, before I start making a couple runs, I wanted to shoot a video, guys. Here I wanted to talk about affiliate marketing and some of the things that you're going to need when you're starting off with affiliate marketing. So, one thing's first here is that, there's other, I wanted to talk about, outside things, that there's things that you can do really, you don't always have to join, MLM programs. I know that a lot of people think they have to join MLM just to make money online. No, you don't have to join MLM programs. Some people have success with it. Some people really like team building, and some people don't like team building. Some people are very successful and they like, hey, it's hard for me to go out here and build a team, but I like to go out here and just market products because I know people like to buy. So no, this is not like e-commerce, because e-commerce, you need customer service. You got to have the products. You got to have addresses for things. So it's a lot more involved when it comes to e-commerce. Affiliate marketing is something that I chose to do. So what I do is, I may have a program that I'm signed up for, or I may take a pre-program from, like ClickBank or Max Bounty or something like that from one of those networks and promote some type of offer and make commissions off of those offers. Now, there's different things that you can do. You can get people to purchase things and get a commission. You can get people to do an action as far as entering their email to get a commission, as far as calling the number. There's a lot of things that you can really do when it comes to getting paid out in affiliate marketing. Now I'm into the digital stuff, man. Digital education, where everyone wants to know how to make money, because that's where everything is going now. Your traditional 9 to 5 is turning into, they're letting a lot of people go. So now people are looking for alternate ways to make money. So now they're all online and they're looking for those ways, and that's where we're at, guys. So that is very big in today's society because everyone, like I said, it's an entrepreneur world now, okay? Everybody's into something. So this is one of the things that you could definitely do. So this is what we call digital, digital real estate, pretty much, guys. Where we're getting a piece of everything, and we're shooting videos where you really want to be at when you're actually talking about stuff, or if you're promoting something, because that's where a lot of people are tuning in. A lot of people like to look at videos. A lot of people don't like to read. I don't know what it is. They like to listen and watch videos nowadays. These phones, there's still a lot of readers out there, so don't get me wrong, I love reading as well. But there's a lot of people that don't like to read. They rather listen or rather watch. So that's why it's always good to shoot videos. So if you're not shooting videos, the first things first you need to do is start shooting videos. Now, once you sign up for an affiliate program, like I said, ClickBank, Max Bounty, there's a couple more out there, but these are like two that I use outside of the programs that I normally promote. And what I have first things first set up is a marketing system, guys. I've actually got a marketing system where I can build funnels where at least I can, before they're taken to that page, I'm at least getting some type of email address so I can continue to market to this set of people. So that's going to be the number one thing. Now, there is a platform that I recommend, guys, because you actually earn an affiliate commission with this particular marketing system as well. So they give you 14 days for free to try everything out. And with that being said, it gives you a full training on how to actually market your programs as well. So that's the beauty about having particular marketing systems that do have training on the inside, where you can actually learn, or do have training where you can reach out to, or do have leads as well. So this marketing system also has leads where you can purchase leads in the back office and reach out to these people and tell them about your affiliate program that you're involved in. You send them your marketing system, or you send them your sales page letter, and that sales page letter is going to pretty much do all the explaining and selling for them. And then once they decide they want to join, boom, they click the link and they sign up. And then if they want to have the exact same marketing system that you have or so like that to help market or promote the business, then that's something that you can definitely utilize. But you got to find one thing that you got to do first is find a program. Okay? So here's the thing. Well, not find a program. Before you can market the businesses, you got to find out which program you want to promote. So there's so many things out there, guys. Weight loss, make money from online, make money online, dating, you name them, guys. They're pretty much out there. Anything you can pretty much sell that they got an MLM or some type of affiliate program for it that you can make a nice commission off of, guys. Now, there's different ways. There's 100% commissions, 200% commissions, things like that. I'm not 200% commissions. I've seen those in my heyday. back in the day where they were paying advanced commissions. And then I've seen, anything below 100. I've seen 50%, 75%, 25% commissions. I've seen those as well. But it's all about what you want to make, guys. Now, I have programs where you can make 100% commission, and I'll drop that information below as well. I'm going to drop the marketing system information below as well. And then what we're going to do here a little bit later, guys, we're going to get into some more screenshot videos because I want to show you guys some of these programs and affiliate programs that I'm speaking of as well. So then that way we can kind of be on the same page as well. But I wanted to kind of give you guys some insight this morning of, if you're going to be in affiliate marketing, number one thing that you're going to need is a marketing system. You're going to need something that's going to pretty much allow you to communicate with your customers over and over and over. And you're going to need something that does all the selling and selling for you 24/7, 365, guys. Okay? So I'm going to leave that information below. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Drop a comment, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification button so when I drop videos, you guys are aware it's going to get a little more intense here this year coming up, guys. So my goal is to do a lot more as far as helping everyone out. So let's do this, man. This your boy Jay. Hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm out. Peace.